Hello, welcome to this demonstration of Occamise. I wanted to show you one of the use cases that we've built for a real estate agency to handle their tenant maintenance requests. So I'll just get straight into the demo. I'm going to phone this number and I'm going to log a maintenance request. The system knows who I am because I'm a tenant. If you guys try this out yourself, you'll just have to provide some of your details for that first call, and then the second time you call, it should know who you are as well. Okay, so the phone you see on the left, you can see it's got the Occamise iPhone app. So it means that I can receive notifications in real time from Occamise. I'm going to use the phone both as the tenant to phone in, and I'm also an agency staff member. So I'm going to receive those notifications about the maintenance request as well. So you'll just have to use your imagination a little bit on that one. All right, so let me make a phone call, log this maintenance request, and then I will tell you what's going on.
Thanks for calling the maintenance line. How can I help?
Yeah, g'day. Just got back after being away for a couple of weeks and noticed that the pool's turning green.
All right, one moment. Got it, Alistair. I understand your pool is turning green. Could you confirm your current address is 123 Faith Street, Brisbane?
Yes, that's correct.
Got it, just a minute. Thank you. I'll log your maintenance request now. Just to confirm, your phone number is +614048736642, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Thank you. And it's not urgent. It's winter, so we're not really swimming. But if it could be looked at, that'd be great.
Just a second, please. I've logged you in on urgent maintenance request for the pool turning green. Alistair, you should receive a confirmation SMS shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, one moment. You're welcome, Alistair. Goodbye.
All right. So I have logged a maintenance request, and you will have seen some of those notifications. So let's have a quick look at those. First notification was the iPhone app to the agency staff member, which is me as well, just telling me that one of our tenants has logged that maintenance request. And then we have that SMS from Occamise to the tenant, just acknowledging that they've logged it as well. And we can customize these messages, obviously, entirely. As an agency staff member, I can use the iPhone app, or I can come to the PC and have a look at the dashboard. Just ignore some of these past conversations at the bottom. Just look at the top here. We've got the conversation that just occurred, and then we've got this action item that's been created as a result of that. One component of our system that we've got is that once this maintenance request has been logged, the system is also going to trigger another agent called our escalation guy to check the status of this action item from time to time. And you can see the guy just kicked in now. And so what he's going to do is check to see whether this action item has been acknowledged. And if it hasn't, it's going to send an SMS to the agency staff member, which is me. And so you can see that it has done that. And through the SMS, I could quickly acknowledge it. I could look at the transcript and so on. So I will acknowledge that by coming here and clicking acknowledge or mark complete. And I can also obviously click on the request itself. I can listen to the call, and I can look at the transcript. So that maintenance request, yes, notified to the users on the dashboard, all of that, but also part of the process of logging it is to put it into the real estate agency's existing systems, or send emails, or do whatever it is that agency needs for us to do that. So I'm going to acknowledge this, and what will happen is when that escalation guy checks on it next, you'll notice that it's been acknowledged, and it'll notify the tenant that the staff have acknowledged the request. Now, if I hadn't have acknowledged it, the system will continue to SMS me every 10 minutes for a little while, and then after a certain threshold, it can start phoning me as well. So when I answer the phone, it'll tell me that there's an outstanding maintenance request and to check my SMSs, etc. So just a little process there for that escalation guy to make sure that we get a resolution, or at least we get some action on that maintenance request for the tenant. So yeah, that's really the quick demo of it. I'm not going to show you all of those downstream actions because we'd have to be sitting here staring at the screen for a little while. But that shows you anyway at a high level what we're able to do with our system. So if you're interested in learning more, please get in touch and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.